Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, February 14. Happy Valentine's Day everybody. So I'm right here on my 6.5 mile station. I'm gonna start training the old birds. I got like 20 or 21 hens right now and 15 males. I want to start doing a training right here on the road so they can fly more, and at the same time I'm going to start putting some respiratory treatment on the water. So I'll be here for maybe 5 minutes and then I release the cocks, and another 5 minutes I release the hens. So after that I'm going to the loft and show you my first round of babies when I start putting on the floor. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. Alright guys, go home. Come on, come on. So 30 minutes already since I released the cocks. Nothing here yet, which is okay. All I want is to keep them in the air. Here they are. Good girl. Yeah, all together. Not sure if all of them, but should be 30, 35. Looks like 30, but we'll see. All right, guys. Let's check the first rounders. So right here, I got the first two. They already jumped by themselves. So let's start with these two. These two from this box, Limbo and a great connection. She will be hatching this in the next 3-4 days. Okay, so now on this one I have another. Let me see if it's gonna be. I'll leave this one a little bit, a few days more. On this one I got my gristle and a new CBS hen. So let me put it down. So I got the gristle and his brother. On this box I got my Longhorn 13 average speed. She won 6 perches for this year, and they have 2 babies, but this is their second round. The first round eggs I put them right here. So let's bring it down. Come on, come on. I think they're foster parents. That one is Staffman Reed. Okay. So this one, those babies out of this one, the mother of my Longhorn, of this one. So full siblings of this. these two, and this. Look at the hey. Look at the color of this one, guys. This is the flea market signature color. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, they're ready to go down. Come on. On this one I got my flea market. They're gonna be hatching probably in a week. So they got a smoky, blue bar smoky here. Yeah. And this one, another smoky, but a little bit kind of indigo. A little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see on the sun. Yeah, beautiful. Go down, boys. So on this side, oh, right here, this is the grandson of the flea market. Look at this one, guys. You ready to go down? Okay, and his brother, blue bar, and that's from Araña Loft, the Firestar. Let's see. Okay, so all of them down on this side except that one. I think is a little bit too small, but we'll see. So let's move to the other side. Okay, on this side I have this one Easily Blue Line with a Greek connection. So I got two blues, white flights. Okay, same as the father. The father is a white flights, but not kind of smoky. On this box I have Choco from Adrian P and 1028. So I have this. Let me put it on the sun. This beautiful Choco, same as the mother. Okay, boy or girl, whatever. And this Splash. Come on, boy, come on. Splash with half of the tail white. See? Beautiful. Up here I have my Grizzle CBS, father of my Grizzle. There, third place champion bird, all birds. So they got this Grizzle, and they have, I like these kind of Grizzles actually better than the white Grizzle. This one looks like a dark check, but it's Grizzle. I love it. Which is with my champion bird 2022 young bird, but she's not laying eggs right now. Hey, oh papa. Oh. So you guys go down. Okay, so let's see if she can lay egg again. If not, I'll switch. Choco will hatch. She laid eggs on January 30 or 31st, so she will be hatching the next couple of days. See the babies. This one will be hatching this weekend as well. Right here I have the oldest pair, but my hen my Mexican hen did not lay eggs this year, so I put a couple eggs from that one, which the hen got sick, and he's been doing really good feeding the babies. So I switched their eggs to this one. Come here. 2 checks. I got my own bands this year, so this is 1 and 2. Come on, okay. This one, the father of the Hoosier Manny Winner, the first eggs did not were feral, so in the second round of eggs, Troublemaker 1028 jumped to this box and broke their eggs. So I split the pair. The hen, I put it on the other section resting, and I brought another hen for him, which should be good. So they on eggs for almost a week. Right here I have another Arañas blue bar with this pencil. So let's see if this one is ready. This is a little bit small. I'll keep it a few days more and see. I'll put feed right here anyways, so when they see the parents eating right here, they start eating right here. All right guys, so all the babies here, so they're gonna be looking for feed, and I'll be watching the parents, see if others doesn't go try to beat them. All right guys. Okay, there's the babies right there. So I'll put them just right here for another week, so they will learn watching their parents right there, right here, eating and drinking water. So that's what I've been doing for the last couple of years. When I move the breeding section here, they go down, they picking right here the feed when they see the parents eating, drinking, and then I move them to the young birds section. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll be here for a little while. Make sure that that white light it's picking up some birds. Not hard, but I'll be watching here. And I see that you start eating right there. Alright guys, see you in the next one.